What is up, guys? My name is Nico. Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to be doing the how to style the Prada Cloudbust. I know this video was already released a couple weeks ago that I ended up deleting. The reason why I ended up deleting it is because the outfits in that video I just didn't like it. I feel like I can do so much better than that, so that's why I deleted it. So I'm making a new video today that I think it's gonna be better than the last one. I got better pieces to style the product together. But yeah, with that being said, let's start out with our first outfit. Alright guys, so the first outfit, I'm actually wearing it right now. So first piece I'm going to be using is this chest harness for this fit. I think this chest harness really goes with everything in this outfit, as well as with this long sleeve t-shirt, just a white simple t-shirt, wearing this cross necklace. For the pants, I'm gonna be wearing this just a nice white striped sweatpants. So you can see got some zipper right there, just a nice one, and Prada Cloudbust with this nice this sweatpants. I think it really go well together, as you can tell. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys some shot of the outfit. So the second outfit for the Prada Cloudbust is going to be more of a formal look. I really got inspired by this outfit right here. I'm going to post a picture right there. Really got inspired by that outfit. I like how the formal look with the Prada Cloudbust. So I put something together that was really inspired by the outfit. And so the outfit I'm wearing actually right now. So I'm going to start off with this gray coat. I think the gray coat really goes well and really put on that formal look. But for the tee, I'm just wearing this black simple turtleneck. Also wearing this necklace again, just for added accessories. For the jeans, I'm just wearing some skinny jeans, some just regular black skinny jeans, because I think this really goes well with the Prada as well. Just something skinny with the Prada just shows off the shoes so much more. That's why I really like it. But with the shoes again, really nice. But let me show you guys some shots of this outfit. Alright guys, hope you guys do like that video, and if you guys do enjoy, please hit the like, comment, and subscribe down below. That being said, hope you guys are having a great day, and we'll see you guys later.